Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. In the continuation of the chapter number 3, Quadratic Equation, we have the topic that is problems involving quadratic equation, and we have done two of its examples before. Now we have another question, that is, the question is telling us that A is 78 kilometer distance from B. The distance from A to B is 78 kilometer. A cyclist leaves A in the direction of B. 1 hour later, another cyclist leaves B in the direction of A and cycles 4 kilometer faster than the first one. तो फर्स्ट साइकिलिस्ट जो है वो यानी एक स्पीड से चल रहा है और सेकंड साइकिलिस्ट जो है वो पहले साइकिलिस्ट से 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से ज़्यादा चल रहा है. अगेन स्पीड टाइम प्रॉब्लम्स है. दे मीट 36 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम बी और वो मुलाकात करते हैं, मीट करते हैं 36 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम बी. हाउ लॉन्ग यानी टाइम हमें मालूम करना है इन ईच वन एनकाउंटर प्रायर टू द एनकाउंटर एंड व्हाट आर देयर स्पीड्स. तो हमें टाइम भी मालूम करना है और स्पीड्स भी मालूम करना है. So let's see how can we solve this problem in the next steps. So if we see the figure, we have the two spots over here. One is A and another is B, and the distance between A and B is 78 kilometer. And a cyclist from A is starting cycling at the speed of x kilometer per hour, and 1 hour later from B another cyclist start from B to A, and they meet at the distance of 36 kilometer from B to A with each other. And what is the time consumed in this journey, and what are the speeds we have to determine. So let's see if we minus from 78 kilometer 36 kilometer, then we have got the value that is 42. So the distance from A to B is equal to 42. A to the place of the encounter is 42, and from B to A is equal to 36. It is given over here. So let the speed of the cyclist A to B is equal to x kilometer per hour. The total distance from A to B is equal to 42, that is 78 minus 36 is equal to 42. We can easily find out. The time taken by the cyclist from A to B is equal to t1, that is 42 divided by the x. यानी x is the speed. अगर हम total distance को divide कर दें speed से तो हमारे पास time आ जाएगा from the cyclists who are moving from A to B. तो ये हमारे पास 42 divided by x hours is the time t1 of a cyclist who is moving from A to B. Then let the speed of the cyclist from B to A, moving from B to A, is 4 kilometer faster than the first one. तो x plus 4 हो जाएगा क्योंकि पहली स्पीड हमारे पास x है, तो x plus 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर जो है वो गिवन, इट्स गिवन ओवर हियर कंडीशन हमारे पास है कि 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड उसकी ज़्यादा है जो कि B से मूव कर रहा है. लेकिन B से जो मूव कर रहा है वो 1 घंटे बाद कर रहा है. तो द टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द cyclist from B to A is equal to 36 kilometer, and the time taken by the cyclist from B to A is equal to t2, that is total distance divided by the speed. So 36 kilometer divided by x plus 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो स्पीड हमारी टाइम हमारे पास आएगा t2, that is 36 divided by x plus 4. Now the time taken from the cyclist moving toward from B to A is t2, and which is also we can exclude 1 hour from the time taken by the cyclists which are moving from A to B. So हमारे पास जो है टाइम हमारे पास t1 है जो a से मूव कर रहा है साइकिलिस्ट, और उसमें से अगर हम 1 घंटा माइनस कर दें तो t2 की टाइमिंग आ जाएगी, क्योंकि b से जो a की तरफ मूव कर रहा है जो कि जिसकी टाइमिंग है t2, वो हमारे पास 1 घंटे बाद उसने जर्नी को स्टार्ट किया। तो 42 डिवाइड बाई एक्स माइनस वन, द फर्स्ट t1 की वैल्यू हमारे पास 42 डिवाइड बाई एक्स है -1, और t2 जो बराबर है 36 डिवाइड बाई एक्स प्लस 4। तो हम एलसीएम लेंगे, और एलसीएम लेने के बाद हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा 42 माइनस एक्स, क्योंकि इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो ये x ऊपर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। तो 42 माइनस एक्स डिवाइड बाई एक्स 36 ओवर एक्स प्लस 4। मूविंग फर्दर, जब हम मूव करेंगे तो हम ये दोनों इक्वेशंस आपने सामने रखी हुई हैं, हम इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। एक्स प्लस 4 जाके 42 माइनस एक्स से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, एक्स 36 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा। लेट्स सी। By cross multiplication we have the two brackets 42 minus x into x plus 4 and is equal to 36 into x हो जाएगा हमारे पास। So 42 मल्टीप्लाई होगा x से तो 42x, so 42 will be multiplied by x is equal to 42x, and 42 will be multiplied by 4, that is 168, and x will be minus x multiplied by x, that is x into x is equal to x square minus x square, and minus x will be multiplied by 4, that is minus 4x, and 36x is equal to over here. So what will happen in the next step? After simplification we have minus x square and 42 minus 4x is equal to 38x plus, and plus 168 is equal to 36x. So we will shift the entire these three values from here left hand side to right hand side over there. So x square will be positive over here on the right hand side, and 36x minus 38x minus 168 equal to 0. So x square 38 minus 36 is equal to minus 2x minus 168 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. So we, by comparing it with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So the coefficient of x square is nothing but 1, and a is equal to 1 over here. B is equal to minus 2, that is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, that is minus 168. By using quadratic formula, we know that the quadratic formula is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we are plugging in the values. Instead of b we are putting over here minus 2, and what happened, let's just plugging in the value. B is equal to minus 2, and minus minus plus 2 plus minus under root minus 2 whole square, that is minus 4a, a is 1, and c is equal to minus 168 divided by 2a, a means 1 over here. So x is equal to plus 2 plus minus 2 square is equal to 4 plus 168 multiplied by 4 is equal to 672, and whole divided by 2. So x is equal to 2 plus minus 4 added together 672, and we will get 676 whole divided by 2. And what happens, 676, the root of 676 is equal to 20. So we have over here 2 plus minus under root 676 is equal to 26 divided by 2. So we will have either x is equal to 2 plus 26 divided by 2, or x equal to 2 minus 26 divided by 2. So here are the two values, that is 2 plus 26 divided by 2, that is 28 divided by 2, that is equal to 14 over here. And another value, that is x is equal to 2 minus 26 divided by 2, that is x equal to minus 24 divided by 2, that is x equal to minus 2, minus 12 over here. So speed can never be negative, so this negative 12 will be discarded because speed is not being negative over here. So after discarding the negative 12 value of the speed, so we are taking over here x equal to 14 is the speed of the cyclist from moving from A to B, is x is equal to 14 km per hour. And the second cyclist, the speed of the second cyclist who is moving from B to A is equal to x plus 14, and 14 plus 4 is equal to 18 km per hour. So these are the two speeds. Now for the time, what we can do over here, let's see in the next step. Now the time taken by the cyclist moving from A to B is t1, that is 42 divided by 14, and 14 will cancel out 42 as 3. 14 ones are 14, 14 threes are 42, that is 3 hours will be the time taken. T1 is the value of T1 is equal to 3 hours. Now we know that T2 is equal to T1 minus 1. So T2 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 hours. So the time taken by the cyclist moving from B to A is equal to 2 hours. And this completes our answers and also conclude our video lecture. Now we will meet in the next lecture inshallah, and till then Allah Hafiz.